In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front door panel on a Subaru Forester. It's located on the inside of the front door. On the inside of our grab handle here, there's a cover. You can take a pick. You want to pop this cover up. Underneath the cover is a Phillips screw. You need to remove that. After removing the screw, you can take a trim tool and pry up all the way along the side and to the front. Once you remove that, you can unplug your two plugs for your window switch and your mirror switch by pushing down on the tab and pulling straight out. This one's a little hard to get to, so you can use a screwdriver. Push that tab down and pull out. Our inside door handle is here. There's supposed to be a cover here. Our cover is missing, but you want to remove that cover and remove the Phillips screw behind it. Once you remove that screw, inside here there's a little opening. You can take your trim tool, stick it inside the opening, twist, and pop this cover off. Now up top here, you need to remove this cover. Ours is broken and has some pieces missing, but you want to take a trim tool from behind, put it down, and pull straight out towards you. Once you remove your cover, your wire is supposed to be clipped into here. Ours is broken, but you want to unclip it from that section. Our door panel is held on by a bunch of fasteners all around the edges. You can use an interior trim tool like this. Go straight underneath, in between the door and the door panel, and pull your door panel towards you. After those are all released, lift straight up and out. And there's your door panel. On the top part of your door panel, there's a lip right here. That lip goes on top of here. So you want to do that first. Go straight down over the lip. Push down and line up your fasteners that go along the edges. Make sure your wiring is out here and just push on your door panel. Your trim panel up here has your wiring. Don't forget ours is broken, so just put your wire off to the side, but you want to clip your wiring into that section. And line up your holes and install your panel. Now you can install your screw on your inside door handle. Once that's tightened, install your trim. Pull your handle out a little bit, swing your trim around it, and push it on. At this time, you can install your cover back onto your screw. Now you can install your two connectors into your window and mirror switches. Wait for the click. Wait for the click. Take your panel, go straight down, clip it in the front, and then to the rear. Once this panel is secure, install your Phillips screw. And then reinstall your cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.